Oh my gosh. I know I look so fabulous right now. It's like 9:30 in the morning and it's a Monday. Mondays are my busiest days because I just get so much anxiety from the weekend, and like the house just gets destroyed over the weekend. So Monday, you know, my husband goes back to work, I start like my week routine again, and the house is just a disaster. So I get major anxiety and I just like want to tackle everything at once. But today I'm going to show you how I just like tidy up my master bedroom. I'm going to show you the disaster right now, and you'll just kind of see me cleaning it up. This is definitely power hour right now because my little one just went down for a nap. My toddler's in the playroom, so I need to get some stuff done. So walking into my room, Nordstrom bag. I have 2 diaper bags on top of the changing table. I'm trying to sell these. May or may not do a giveaway on them on my channel, so stay tuned for that if that happens. This is the dresser. Yeah, we did some shopping. There's some bags. That is clean clothes. That is dirty clothes. Got some junk up here. My husband has his bag on the floor. Got a little trash can over there. Some clothes that needs to be put away. My daughter comes in our room with her blankets every morning. And my bed. And a bassinet that we don't use. So let's get started. So I'm starting off by folding up my daughter's blankets and telling her where they go and sending her off with them. Next, I'm going to move over to make my bed, and if you notice, I will not be changing out the sheets because they do get changed out once a week, and that happens on Thursdays. So today is Monday, and I'm just tidying up. This is not a deep clean or anything like that. It's just kind of how I show you how I just tidy up my room on Mondays, or pretty much every day of the week, unless, you know, it's a deep clean or something. But that's that. If you are a stay-at-home mom like I am, you know that it is not easy to keep up with housework when you have little ones running around and constantly needing your attention. If you are a working mom, whether it's part-time or full-time, if you have a job, a career aside from being a mom, I give props to you. I don't know how you do it. Truly, when I picture myself, when I try to put myself in your shoes, just gives me so much stress, and I just cannot even imagine what y'all deal with. So I really praise you for all of your hard work. So here I'm just going in with a microfiber cloth, a damp one, just to kind of dust off any little debris on the furniture, not going in with any product or anything like that. So just a simple damp microfiber cloth to dust. So now I'm just cleaning my nightstand, just dusting it off, putting all the junk away. I don't use reading glasses. Those are blue light blocking glasses for watching TV or when I'm on my phone. If you look at my husband's nightstand versus mine, his is literally clean. He has nothing on it. Who else's husband is like that versus yours? Please let me know. And who else leaves clean laundry in the basket for days? I know I'm not the only one. It's such a bad habit, but I mean, sometimes you just are not in the mood. Here I'm just separating laundry. Story of my life. Now it's time to tackle this laundry that has been sitting in the basket the entire weekend. And I know you do it too. I know you do it, girl. Don't lie to yourself. Ain't no shame. There is nothing more satisfying than watching this speed up while you're doing a chore. Don't you wish that there was a real life button that can just make you do every task that you don't want to do this fast? What a dream. Here is the after. I had some nice carpet streaks going on until my toddler ran all over them. But now it looks a lot better in here. I did break out into a sweat a little bit just because I don't have much time to get things done before baby wakes up. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Thumbs up if you liked this video, and I hope to make some more videos for you soon. Bye.